acupressure points to help you get through Christmas. So this one is a great one if you're in a really deep, dark space, you're not feeling good at all. Probably to do with family, if you are struggling with family wanting to put you in a box and expecting you to be a certain way. So this one is called Ancestral Mound or Spirit Burial Mound, and it helps us let go of these kind of patterns, this ancestral history that doesn't serve us anymore. Okay, I'm going to show you where to find it. But also, even if you don't believe in that kind of stuff, what physically this does is it helps to open up the chest, relax the heart muscles, relax all the intercostal muscles, and helps the breath descend, because you don't want to be doing this. All right, so find the midline of your body and come down to where the nipples could be, should be, maybe. It's the fourth kind of line in the nipples here. And then you come out to either side of the sternum to the fourth intercostal space. Now that's kidney 23. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for kidney 24. Come up an intercostal space, all right? That is Spirit Burial Mound. It can be quite sore, especially mine on my left side. So just breathe, relax. And just feel that point soften either side of the breastbone. So you're not on the breastbone, you're in between the spaces of the ribs. You're on the fifth intercostal space. Kidney 24, Spirit Burial Mound. Pressing into this, and it kind of helps you re-find your spirit, the way that you were born as a baby, with the joy and expectancy of life, without any of the ancestral or family stuff you might have to deal with at Christmas. It doesn't make the family go away, but it gives you a real sense of how lovely that lovely spirit of yours is. All right, so have a lovely Christmas and keep following. I'm going to share a few more points that'll help you through Christmas. May you be happy and may you be well. May I be happy, may I be well, and may all beings everywhere be happy, safe and well.